If you've accidentally deleted messages on Kayak and need to recover them, follow these steps to attempt to retrieve your lost information. Step 1. Check the trash or deleted items folder. Look for a trash or deleted items folder within the Kayak app. Many applications temporarily store deleted messages here before permanent deletion. Step 2. Review your email notifications. If you have email notifications enabled for your Kayak messages, check your email inbox for any messages that may have been sent to you. You might find the information you need there. Step 3. Contact Kayak support. Reach out to Kayak's customer support for assistance. They may have the ability to help you recover deleted messages or provide guidance on what to do next. Step 4. Check for backups. If you regularly backup your device or use a cloud service, check if you have a backup that includes the Kayak app data. Restoring from a backup may help recover deleted messages. Step 5. Monitor future messages. Keep an eye on your future messages and consider taking screenshots or saving important information to avoid losing it again. This can help prevent similar issues in the future. By following these steps, you may be able to recover your deleted messages on Kayak. If all else fails, consider implementing better message management practices moving forward.